The 2025 Kia Sorento is making waves in the automotive world with its blend of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. This midsize SUV continues to impress with its bold design and spacious interior, catering to families and adventure seekers alike. At first glance, the new Sorento showcases a refreshed exterior, featuring a more aggressive front grille and sleek LED headlights that give it a commanding presence on the road. The side profile highlights its sculpted lines, while the rear boasts distinctive taillights that enhance its sporty appeal. The overall design is a testament to Kia's commitment to creating vehicles that stand out in a crowded market. Let's talk interior. Inside, the 2025 Sorento offers an inviting and versatile cabin. With seating for up to 7 passengers, the SUV provides ample space for families. The second-row seats can slide and recline, ensuring maximum comfort for passengers. The third row is surprisingly spacious for an SUV of this size, making it ideal for carpooling or weekend trips. Kia has prioritized quality materials throughout the interior, with soft-touch surfaces and available leather upholstery that elevate the overall experience. Additionally, the Sorento offers a wealth of cargo space, with split-folding rear seats that provide flexibility for transporting larger items. One of the standout features of the 2025 Sorento is its technology suite. The SUV comes equipped with a user-friendly infotainment system that includes a large touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and available navigation. Kia's UVO connectivity offers features like remote start and vehicle diagnostics, ensuring drivers stay connected and informed. The available Harman Kardon audio system delivers an exceptional sound experience, perfect for music lovers. Safety is also a top priority, with an array of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, providing peace of mind on every journey. Under the hood, the 2025 Sorento offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving preferences. The standard engine is a capable 4-cylinder that balances efficiency and performance, making it an excellent choice for daily commuting. For those seeking more power, Kia provides an optional V6 engine that delivers robust acceleration and towing capabilities. Additionally, the Sorento offers a hybrid variant that combines a turbocharged engine with an electric motor, providing impressive fuel economy without sacrificing performance. This versatility in powertrains ensures that drivers can choose the Sorento that best fits their lifestyle and needs. Driving dynamics have been enhanced for the 2025 model, with improved suspension tuning that offers a smooth and comfortable ride. The Sorento's handling is nimble, making it easy to navigate through urban environments or winding roads. All-wheel drive is available for those who require additional traction in various weather conditions, adding to the Sorento's versatility. The steering is responsive, providing a confident feel behind the wheel, whether cruising on the highway or maneuvering through tight spaces. The 2025 Kia Sorento also emphasizes sustainability with its hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. These models are designed to reduce emissions while still delivering the performance and practicality that drivers expect. The hybrid variant uses a combination of gasoline and electric power to achieve impressive fuel efficiency, making it a smart choice for eco-conscious consumers. The plug-in hybrid version takes it a step further, allowing for all-electric driving for short trips, minimizing fuel consumption even more. Kia has also introduced a range of customizable options for the 2025 Sorento, allowing buyers to tailor their vehicles to their preferences. From various trim levels to an assortment of exterior colors and interior finishes, the possibilities are extensive. This level of personalization ensures that every Sorento can reflect the unique style of its owner, making it a standout in the midsize SUV segment. As the automotive landscape continues to evolve, the 2025 Kia Sorento positions itself as a formidable contender, offering a compelling mix of design, technology, and performance. Its spacious interior, advanced safety features, and hybrid options make it an appealing choice for families and individuals alike. With its combination of style and practicality, the Sorento is poised to meet the demands of modern drivers while maintaining Kia's reputation for value and quality. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a weekend getaway, the 2025 Sorento promises a driving experience that is both enjoyable and versatile.